Sure, go ahead.
Can I get a plain bagel with sausage, egg, and cheese?
Okay, see you soon.
Thanks, bud.
What do you got today, Ray?
Gotta go estimate a hail car. First stop. Then we've got a shop in Pasadena with a brand new Mustang from Ford with dent in the quarter. Then we're gonna go check out our Honda account, which is may get rained out. They're calling for rain by the time we make it to there. And then we have an Acorn damaged vehicle to go take a look at and write an estimate on. After that, we've got 2 more retail customers to do. So we got a full day. We've been off since Thursday for Thanksgiving, so now it's playing catch up. It'll be an interesting afternoon. Car, freaking Subaru, and we got a little police car door dent that they have to still paint. We off to stop number 2. Glen Bernay, go pick up my new guy, and then pick up my new guy, Shane. Try to get our day going. Gotta rearrange some stuff. One of my customers isn't quite at the body shop where he's supposed to be. So, that's it. Imagine the building black, orange and white stripe, big neon sign, 14,000 square foot building.
Future home RPS?
Stop number 3, my Honda used car lot that I do. Don't think we're gonna walk today. Cars are all wet. It's kind of been drizzling. Just gonna go in and see him and see if he needs anything that he knows of. Stop over at the body shop, make sure they don't need anything, and then we're off.